I came to help our organisation develop the wellbeing policy into a more coherent strategy and to take benefit of the higher level understanding and implement that on the ground for our organisation.
I attended today because I wanted to broaden my learning and understanding about wellbeing, and from the company's perspective it's just given me a bit more grounding in what I should be doing as developing a wellbeing strategy for going forward.
I attended today's workshop because I wanted a better oversight than what we've currently got. The company's it's got some good measures in place, but I wanted to come over and just learn a bit more, get a bit more education for myself, hopefully so I can then promote this within the company.
It was the understanding of the trainer and the resources that they have, the experience of those kind of high level concepts, the way to translate that into actions on the ground, and how to really understand and audit your business, see where your opportunities are and your strengths, and how you can implement new strategies on the ground.
It's the learning from that Mark has shared, really. I think, and the conversations with other people is useful, and just getting an understanding of where other people are coming from. But clearly, some of the points that Mark has shared were the most useful things, I think, from today.
I found it most useful, today's workshop, was I could discuss it with other parties from other industries, because well-being at the moment is the correlation of management standards. I'm hoping we can bring that up to a level with quality, safety and environmental.
Well, it'll start with an audit. We're going to go and look. We're happy with some of the things that we're doing, but I've got a much better idea now of how we can identify areas for improvement and where we can find the resources to drive that improvement, and how we can really engage our staff to make things better for them.
Well, in terms of what I wrote down for myself would be, beginning to think about what did I do, what has worked in terms of well-being, having employees in the company, and what can I learn from that, taking forward to actually beginning to write out on paper well-being strategy.
It's given me a bit of an oversight of all the attributes, what's involved in well-being, not just something simple. So I'm hoping to sit down with senior management and seeing if we can get a good business plan what involves well-being formats.